Good evening once again. Cases of coronavirus are growing nationwide, but health experts are reminding everyone public risk remains low.
There are now 11 confirmed cases statewide, none here in Western New York. Tonight, health authorities say it's inevitable this virus will spread, but they are ramping up efforts to contain it. 7 Eyewitness News senior reporter Eileen Buckley leads off our team coverage.
We currently do not have any cases of COVID-19 here in Erie County.
The Erie County Health Commissioner reassuring the public that no one tested positive for COVID-19, also known as coronavirus.
We don't have any evidence now that those individuals are infected, especially now that we have test results that are negative on some of them.
2 Western New York families who recently returned home from Italy are in quarantine, but Erie County officials will not say how many are quarantined. Governor Cuomo says there were 12 people from Buffalo, with 6 showing symptoms. But Erie County Executive Mark Poloncarz says the governor violated the law by releasing those numbers.
The governor announced that. If you follow the law, as we've been told by the CDC and the state, we're not supposed to say that, but the governor announced it.
If we have tests that are done and those tests are negative, there's nothing that the public needs to know to protect themselves. It's just business as usual.
If someone does become a public health threat, the county can legally enforce your quarantine.
I'm hopeful that we never get to a situation where we have to force a quarantine on an individual and have a guard stationed outside the house to ensure that that person is not a potential risk to the community. But by God, if we have to, we will.
Erie County will soon have the ability to test for COVID-19 in its public health lab instead of sending specimens to Albany. It received approval and is waiting for materials to arrive.
We'll be able to do that right here and have a same-day turnaround time for people who meet the criteria for testing.
If you have traveled to China, Italy, Iran, or South Korea, you should contact the health department. You will be required to self-isolate for 14 days, even if you are healthy. Poloncarz is now backtracking on his earlier comment. He tweeted that he apologizes for saying it was illegal, but says he believes it was inappropriate to reveal a town or location. And earlier, the governor's office responded to Poloncarz's comment, saying county health departments around the state and country routinely provide information, and it's an obligation during a public health epidemic to keep the public informed. Eileen Buckley, 7 Eyewitness News.